In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp Signup and Popup form in WordPress. Let's dive in and make your site more engaging and interactive for your visitors. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once inside, head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand side. Click on Add New and search for the Mailchimp plugin. You'll find several options, but the one we want is Mailchimp for WordPress, a popular choice with great reviews. Click on Install Now, and then activate the plugin. This tool will allow us to efficiently integrate Mailchimp with our WordPress site. Now, we need to connect your site to your Mailchimp account. Go to the Mailchimp settings from your WordPress dashboard, and you'll see fields to input your Mailchimp API key. To get the API key, log into your Mailchimp account, navigate to the account page, then Extras, and finally, API keys. Copy one of your API keys and paste it into the designated field in your WordPress dashboard, then hit Save Changes. Your site is now linked to Mailchimp, which is a crucial step that ensures all your sign-up data transfers smoothly to your lists. Next, we'll create the sign-up form. In your WordPress dashboard, go back to the Mailchimp for WordPress settings and select Forms. Click on Add New. Here, you can design the form that visitors will use to subscribe to your mailings. You can customize the fields as per your campaign needs. Consider asking for the essentials like a name and email address to keep the form user-friendly and encourage higher subscription rates. Once you're happy with the design, save your form. After that, we need to add this form to your site as a pop-up. For this, we'll be using a Popup plugin. Back in the Plugins section, click on Add New again, and install a popular choice like Popup Maker. Once installed and activated, navigate to the Popup Maker tab on your dashboard. Click on Add Popup. Set a name and title for your pop-up, and in the pop-up editor, insert the shortcode for your Mailchimp signup form. You can find this shortcode in the Forms section where you initially created your form. Just copy it and paste it into the pop-up content area. Next, let's configure the pop-up settings. Go to the Triggers tab and add a trigger to open the pop-up. You can set it to appear on a time delay or set a scroll percentage to make it appear, say, when a visitor has scrolled halfway down your page. Don't forget to configure the display settings to control where on your site the pop-up will be shown, ensuring it's non-intrusive but visible enough to catch the attention. Finally, hit Publish, and just like that, your Mailchimp signup form is now live as a pop-up on your WordPress site. Congratulations! You've just successfully integrated a significant marketing tool to help boost your audience engagement. Remember to give your visitors a compelling reason to sign up to increase conversion rates. Keep the forms simple, and make sure to offer something valuable in return for their subscription, like newsletters or exclusive updates.